Hi, in this video we'll take a look at the translate functionality within Word. Here we are within Word, so we can use translate in a few ways. So we can just highlight a word here, right mouse click and bring up the translate window over the side. And just highlighting any particular word will give us the equivalent translation there, or we can highlight the entire sentence here, get our translation there and just do insert, and then that will overwrite and translate into English in this example. Or alternatively, if we have a whole document, for our whole document we can bring up the translate function, and instead of individual sentences and individual words, this time we select the document option, just check on what we're converting from, what we're converting to. Note there is also an auto detect here, but I know this is French, and convert to English, and then select translate, and that will create a copy of the document into the translated language. There we go. So it's not takes that. You're still going to need to read through this and copy out a few things, get rid of a couple of things. There's a view on a U there, and just tidy up, but obviously it speeds you along in the conversion process. Also, whilst we're in Word and we're showing new features, might be worth showing this one as well. So you've gone through the whole trouble of using word art and inserting objects and getting all your formatting and everything else sorted out, and it might be something, a logo or something along those lines that you need to use repeatedly. So the function has now been added that if you right mouse click here, you can save this as a picture and obviously then insert it into any Word document that you need to do so. So that's a new useful feature that's been added into Word as well.